Hi everyone, Chelsea with IAI ImplementArtificialIntelligence.com, and I want to go ahead and just share with you a real quick overview of how I have been building ecosystem brains with AI for enterprise companies. So it's not just another AI voice or another bot or another dashboard. This is something much more powerful with your data when it's utilizing AI. So you have your AI voice systems that can be set up for all departments within your company. It can go ahead and read script by script of how you would want to respond to a customer. It can solve complex issues or technical issues and walk your customer through steps to go ahead and fix it, as well as send out an email of those steps that were recorded on the call or PDFs, videos, walking the customer of how to go ahead and fix things. AI voice agents, they now sound realistic. They can have a two-way conversation, and it can be deployed across any department that you're having calls. Handling calls 24/7. No sick days, no off days, no vacation. They're working on weekend. But a lot of that data in the past has been reports that happen after. So what's neat is the calls can come in real time in your dashboard where you can go ahead and see an entire transcript of what was done on that call. It also has a call stamp logs for your legal and security teams, and also gives more data on the customer. How did they sound? Were they positive? Was it a good call? Was the customer angry? All of this can be filtered out by different companies. So if you're an enterprise company and you have several umbrella companies under, it can be filtered out. You can see all of that data in one place. It's also with each department. Different date ranges, whatever the call is about too, you can set up different filters to see different areas. You can have as many companies also added into one portal. So you're seeing real-time data, as well as different managers can have different views of different parts. You have how the calls are performing, the top companies, how the calls are going, top department. So you can go ahead and see, hey, we're getting a lot more calls in this department. Peak hours, monthly data, how many calls came in and were resolved, if calls were about warranty, technical, billing, parts, or just general. And there are abilities to have heat maps too. So you can go ahead and see, hey, we're having more issues on the Class A diesel or the Class C gas, as well as be able to compare company performance, see if there's calls coming in by specific regions. Maybe the weather is affecting some different vehicles, for example, as well as top errors that the AI is handling, how many calls were handled by AI versus escalated to a team, and how the customer satisfaction is going also. On top of this, if you have any vendors, they can go ahead and see also data in real time. So then you're not having to go ahead and send PDFs back and forth, right? You have it all in one place. This can help you too to have data when you're having, hey, we're having issues on this part on our unit. You have data when you're speaking to that vendor also of what's happening. Hey, we have this many units. We have a failure rate happening of this percent. This is how many warranty claims we have on it, and this is the average repair time. Now, all of this data is being tracked, and it can go ahead and actually help you to predict analytics too. So this can help you to identify warranty risk, failure trends before warranties happen. So if you're seeing, hey, we're seeing a firefly issue, then you know, prepared on it. Or like, hey, we're having AC compressors happen right now in this state, this region. We're seeing failure trends on our 2022 and 2023 models. We're seeing an increase. Then you know, okay, let's go ahead and take action on this before it becomes warranty claims. So it's a real-time dashboard, but it also helps you to predict future analytics also. On top of that, there is a memory system. So all of the calls are traced into a memory system, as well as you can build different documents, different departments to view anything on. When a customer calls back, it can remember, hey, I know you called about XYZ. Is it fixed now? You could also have any conversation too with the documents or call logs that came in to get instant answers for your leadership team. Like, what are the top 3 issues on your 2022 AC units? Bam, it pulls that data just like your chatting chatbot just for your own data and departments. You can see any calls that were escalated to humans to have that data. You can also get the AI performance of the voices to then go ahead and be able to optimize it. You can see your email data if your customers are actually opening up and clicking on the PDFs to repair it. So this is one portal of real-time data. On top of it, it has a memory layer of remembering every customer call. It has secure intelligence to help you predict analytics. And it has smart filters, so it can build off of your enterprise brand. So you can see different companies and different departments or vendor data. And this is not just a black box of the voice just handling anything. It has guardrails. So it's going to only utilize your approved repair content, your PDFs, your videos, your own business rules get plugged in here. So it's not just saying anything to customers. It can be continuously fine-tuned and make sure it meets quality assurance. Your legal teams have data to go ahead and see every call, every suggestion, every fix is logged. So this becomes your safety net if there is ever a dispute or a recall. It can integrate with your own systems, of your phone systems, your CRM. It can read that data, and it can be plugged in on your cloud. So you own it. This type of system is more of an enterprise brain. It pays for itself. You can have significant savings in overhead, training, warranties, and it really helps these enterprise companies to have live intelligence, make better decisions, and save millions per year. That is how we have been building an ecosystem brain for enterprise companies. By having all of this data ingested into a memory layer, into a predictive analytics, and having one command center of all of their companies. So if this is something that could help your company, check out implementartificialintelligence.com. You can email me at implementaiagency@gmail.com. We can set up a demo and go over this more in depth.